Hi, Dean Jenkins from FollowMeTrades.com, and I'm going to show you two stocks that I think are great shorting candidates very soon now. Before I do, I'm going to make a case for the broader market, why I think it's turning down. And just before we get in, I'm a technical trader, so I trade based on what I call the realities of the chart, that the actual price action on charts is the result of all the fundamental information, all the news that's going on, and that this is what really matters. So let's look here at the S&P 500 on a daily chart really quick. So we are in a bear market on the S&P 500, and we have been for about a year. In spite of this shorter term rally here, if you look at Dow theory, the definition of a downtrend is lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, and lower highs. And so far this is a lower high. This has not taken out this previous high here, and there's every indication that this is going to come down and make new lows and take this low out here. Now that's a big picture. That's like a year's worth of data that we're looking at. Let's zoom in just a little bit tighter. The same theory applies, and we can see these big moves beginning sooner when with smaller patterns. So like here, before this move down, we had this lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, boom, lower, lower, lower. And we actually called that out last year. And the same thing, that was last summer. At the end of last year, we saw this lower low, lower high, new low, and this trend starting here. And we were able to trade for a really good profit on both of those moves there. So here's an example of a trade we took late last year, or this was last summer. Last summer, this is Ingersoll Rand. We saw the same pattern, lower low, lower high, new low. We went short actually on this day. That was really nice. We went short here, and we rode this thing all the way down, all the way down. And we're going to show you there's some more coming that we believe are just like this. So here's a quick example, another one that we took late last year. This is Goldman Sachs. Again, after we used a very simple version of Elliott wave, we saw an impulsive wave down, a corrective wave up, and then a lower low, lower high, new low. We went short here and took this all the way down as well, made some magnificent profit on that. And I'm going to show you there's there's new shorts coming up here in just a moment. We don't just trade short, we trade long as well, of course. Here's a mining stock. We saw gold recovering, and after gold had passed 1113, we started looking at mining stocks, and again the same pattern. We saw this VALE mining stock coming out of the bottom and participating in that mining recovery. We saw a higher high, higher low, new high. We got long on this at 278, and we took this all the way up here. We made about a 60% profit on that in a couple months time. Really nice trade. And again, so let's go look now at what's going on. So I showed you that the S&P 500, it's in a bear trend, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high so far. It did not put in a new high, and it's come down here. And what we expect is to see it go up a little bit. It may come down, but it eventually go up a little bit. When it puts in a new low, this bear market is going to definitely be underway. High probability, nothing certain, but high probability that it is going down, 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 down. It's going to take out this low and put in new lows. So we're looking for this kind of pattern here. And when it does that, it's going down. And here's two trades now that we think are great ones to be participating in this broad market sell-off. So the first one here is IBM, International Business Machines. Now, this has had a massive impulsive wave down, a really nice corrective wave right into the expected Fibonacci retracement zone here, and now we expect a new impulsive wave to be heading down into this target zone down here below 117. Now it's not quite ready yet. We want to see the broad market turn down like we talked about on the S&P 500, but it's getting really close, and when the broad market turns down, we think IBM is going to be a great short candidate. It could happen the next week. This is April 30th, and so the week of May 1st, it could be happening. We could see it, and we could get a really good short position here on IBM. The next one is Walmart. And this has that same pattern as IBM, a big impulsive wave down, a perfect corrective wave up into the zone that we expect, and now every sign that it is heading down into another impulsive wave down. And the target zone, I'm not even showing it on the screen here. I gotta clear this off here and do this. The target zone for Walmart is way down here, below $49. As part of FollowMeTrades.com, I offer a stock trading advisory service, and these are trades that I'm taking with my own money, and you can see our results on our homepage, followmetrades.com. And we've had several years where we've been very, very profitable. We're beating the market, the indexes, by several multiples. This year, 2016, we're up over 20% in our portfolio. We do it with really strict risk control. For every trade, we give a very specific, exact entry level, a stop level where we're going to get out if the trade isn't going our way, if things have changed, and a target level. And we give updates all along the way, where to take profit, where to move our stop levels to, and then ultimately where to exit the trade and get maximum profit. It's a stock picking service. It's been very successful. You get updates through the life of the trade. I'm taking these trades with my own money. This isn't theoretical. I'm doing this. I'm in. And you can try it. The list price is $127 a month. You can get a discount of $97 per month if you're watching this video, and you can try it. You can try it for 10 days for only $7 with a money-back guarantee. So for $7, you can get in. You can see the picks, these current picks with the exact entries, the exact targets, complete trade management, option contract details if you're interested and you'd rather trade with option contracts. I like that a lot. And management of the trade, updates until it's closed. There are several other trades that are open and still have good entries, and we publish new picks every week. So I encourage you to give that a try. It's almost like a free trial, right? $7, money back guarantee. If it's not for you, just send me an email, give me a call. Money back, no questions asked, no hard feelings. And then after that, it's $97 a month. And people who do subscribe stay subscribed because we're making really, really good money. So I invite you to check that out. There's a link on the screen where you can go find out more and give it a shot. Thank you very much.